Hi guys, welcome back. So today we will be seeing how to reverse a given list. So reverse list can be reversed in three different ways. For example, if I take in the list 10, 20, 30 and 40. Suppose if you take 50 also, no problem. So if I am taking five values in a list 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So using the slicing operation, you can reverse the given list. So for example, print in the variable a, total we have five values. So from the starting value till the ending value, we are going to reverse everything. So minus one is used to reverse the data. So see, we can reverse the entire data which is given inside the list. The second way of reversing a list is nothing but, for example, imagine you have the same data, imagine you have the same list, and if you want to reverse in the list, there are a lot of built-in functions. So append, insert, pop, delete. So we can use like reverse function, sort function is there. So there are a lot of functions which comes under list. You can see here, if I use the intelligence tab button, it is going to show you append, clear, copy, count, extend, pop is there. So delete is not the built-in function in the list. Sorry, remove is the function. You can use the remove and you can pass the value and you can remove the value. So there is a function called reverse. So built-in function in the list concept. So I'm going to reverse the data. After that, if I print a, can see here. So first, this is the list. After that, I'm reversing everything into reverse order. Like the last one comes first. So operation is going on here. If I print a, see the data is reversed. So using the slicing operation, you can do it, and using the built-in function which is available in the list concept, you can do it. So if in interviews they will be asking you to reverse the given list, but they will ask you not to use the slicing operation and you should not use the built-in function. You should not use the slicing operation or you should not use the built-in function. So they will be asking you to reverse the list with using pure Python logic. So how to do it? We can use for loop and we can do it. So I will be explaining you those concepts also. So without slicing and without slicing and without built-in function, so built-in function. So how to do it? Same, we will take same input 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You can pass any number here. So you can pass integer or you can pass float, you can pass string, you can pass boolean, because list has the capability to accept any input. So you can pass anything. So how to reverse? So first of all, you just find out how much the length of the list is. What is the meaning of length? So if I use the length, it will give me total how many values are there. Total five values are there here. Total five values. So see, if I print length of it, if I just print length of it, so total I am having five values here. So using the length concept also we can do. For example, what I will do is for I in range of length of a float division of 2. I will write the logic like this. So what is the meaning of it? First of all, please find what is length of a. Length of a is nothing but 5. Length of a is nothing but 5. 5 float division of 2. 5 float division of 2. So do the calculation. 2, 5. 2 2 is 4. What is the remainder? Remainder is nothing but 1. There is no need of giving the remainder. So 2 2 is 4. We got 1. So I can give the dot here. I can add 0. 2 5 is 10. Remainder will be 0. But here the question is, we are using the float division. Float division will not consider the decimals. It only take the integer value. So what you will get? You will be getting 2. So here what is the result that you are getting? You are getting the value 2. You are getting the value 2. So for example, here if you are getting 2 means how many times the for loop will be circulated? How many times the for loop will iterate? It will iterate 2 times. So let me write here. If the for loop, the solution here is 2. So for I in range of 2 means 0th iteration and the first iteration. 2 times the iteration will be done. So for example, whenever the I is picking up 0, whenever I is picking up 0, I am going inside. So inside what I am doing? Inside what I am doing? So I am writing a simple logic. A of I, comma, A of length of A, length of A minus 1 minus I. Okay, minus 1 and minus I is equals to same, just change the concept. Same, comma, and write this one here. So write this one here. So now I will be explaining you the concept, how this is happening and how it will reverse the data. How it will reverse the data. We know very well, for example, here for I in range of, we will get the solution 2. If you do the math calculation, just now I explained. So for I in range of 2, which means you will be having the range of, 0 and you will be having the 1. You will be having 1. So I value, first it picks 0. I value, first it picks 0. I value, first it picks 0. Go inside. I'm going inside the for loop. I'm going inside the for loop. So inside, I already told you, if there is a equal to, we need to focus on the right side. Then because right side operations will be given to left side. So I value is 0. Come here. So what you are doing? So there are two different things that is happening here. So A of length of A means what? 5. 5 minus 1 minus I means what? 0. So A of 5 minus 1 minus 0, which means nothing but A of 4. What is A of 4 in the variable A? What is the fourth index position? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth index position is nothing but 50. 50 comma A of I means what? 0. A of 0 means what? 10. Yeah, okay. We got 10. So what you are doing? So 50 and 10, what you are doing? So this 50 and 10, you are giving to A of 0. A of 0 means what? 10, comma, or else in a simple way if you want to understand. So this 50, where you are giving? This 50, where you are giving? You are giving to A of 0. A of I means A of 0. I is 0, right? A of 0. A of 0 means in the 0th index position, you are giving 50. Okay, next one. 10 where you are giving? 10 you are giving to the last one. 10 you are giving to the last position because A of 4. A of 4 means last position 10. So in the first iteration, what you have done? In the first iteration, what you have done? So 10 I am passing to the last position. 50 I am bringing to the first position. Okay. Okay. So if you see here, if you see what about the remaining values? What about remaining values? Like 20, like 30 and 40 will be like that only. They will be like that. So there will be no change in those values. There will be no change in those values. Next, in the next iteration, only one iteration completed. Next, I value will be picking up 1, going inside. So inside what I am doing? Inside what I am doing? So A of length of A means 5. 5 minus 1 minus I is 1. So what is the answer? A of 3, comma, A of 1. In the A of 3 means what? A of 3 is nothing but 40, comma, A of 1 means what? 20. So 40, which location you are giving? 40 you are giving to A of 1. So this 40 you are giving to the first index position. So A of 50, comma, 40, comma, next. 20 you are giving to the third index position. This 20 you are giving here. So 20 comes here, 10 will be here. Remaining 30 will be there only. Now see, so what is your input? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. After reversing 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. Simple. So this is how we can reverse the list. So total 2 iterations, we are reversing the list. So if you want, print A here individually. Print A here individually. So if you see here, what is happening? First I am taking A. So for loop is iterating 2 times. In the first iteration, 50, 20, 30, 40 and 10. So what is happening? So here if you see, I already told you, first print the input. So first print the input. What input we are taking? So first I am printing the input. Okay. So this is the input I am giving 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So in the first iteration, what happens? 50 comes here, 10 comes here. See, that is what happens. So 50 comes here and the 10 comes here. In the second iteration, 40 comes to the second position, 20 goes to the fourth position. So finally the list is reversed. If you come outside, and here also if you print, so out here also you can print something like output here. See here. So this is the input in two iterations, two different operations. Finally, the string is the list is reversing. The given list is reversing. So you can use the slicing, you can use the reverse function, or you can use this simple logic. So first one, last one becomes first, first one becomes last. Second, last one comes to the first second goes to the second last. Very simple. Okay, so this is how we will be writing the logic to reverse the given list. Okay. Thank you. You can find out this particular file in the GitHub as I mentioned in every video. So please find this code in the in this my GitHub repo, which is mentioned in the description. Thank you.